Many mums find breastfeeding rewarding, but it can come with challenges. A breast pump can be a lifesaver. Whether you're returning to work, want your partner to help, or need a break, a breast pump allows you to express and store your milk safely. This means your baby can still enjoy the benefits of breast milk even when you can't be there. In this guide, we'll take you through everything you need to know about using a breast pump for the first time. We'll break it down into easy steps, offer tips for overcoming common hurdles, and give you the confidence to become a pro at pumping. So, grab a cuppa, get comfy, and let's dive in. Before you start pumping, it's important to choose the right breast pump for your needs. There are two main types, manual and electric. Manual pumps are smaller, portable, and don't require electricity, making them good for occasional use or travel. Electric pumps are more powerful and efficient, ideal for frequent pumping sessions. Consider your lifestyle, budget, and how often you plan to pump when making your decision. Don't hesitate to ask your midwife, health visitor, or lactation consultant for personalized recommendations. Now that you have your breast pump, let's walk through how to use it. Step 1. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Step 2. Assemble your pump following the instructions. Step 3. Find a comfortable position. Step 4. Prepare your breast. Step 5. Start pumping. Adjust the suction level to a comfortable setting. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll find a routine that works for you. Section 4. Troubleshooting your breast pump. It's not uncommon to encounter a few hiccups when you first start using a breast pump. Here are some common problems and simple solutions. The pump isn't collecting any milk. Ensure all parts are connected properly and the suction is strong enough. The pump is causing pain or discomfort. Stop pumping and check the flange fit. Make sure the suction level isn't too high. Start on a low setting and gradually increase it. The pump is making a strange noise. Consult your pump's manual to troubleshoot. If the problem persists, contact the manufacturer's customer service for assistance. Remember, relaxation is key. Stress can inhibit milk flow. With a bit of patience, you'll overcome these hurdles. Section 5. Storing your liquid gold. Breast milk. Storage guidelines. Proper storage of breast milk is crucial to maintain its quality and safety. Freshly expressed breast milk can be stored at room temperature for up to 4 hours. Store breast milk in the refrigerator for up to 5 days at 4 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees Fahrenheit, or lower. For longer-term storage, freeze breast milk in sterilized containers. It can be stored in the freezer compartment of a refrigerator for 2 weeks, a standard freezer for up to 6 months, or a deep freezer for 12 months. Always use sterilized bottles or bags designed for breast milk storage. Label each container with the date and time of expression to ensure you use the oldest milk first. Section 6. You've got this. Encouragement for new pumping mums. Learning to use a breast pump for the first time can seem daunting, but trust me, you've got this. Be patient with yourself and your body. Remember, every drop of breast milk you express is a precious gift for your little one. So, go forth and pump with confidence. You're doing an amazing job,